let it.
Hello guys, my name is Prajesh. In today's video, I am going to show you how to ride your bicycle in safe manner, tips and tricks. So we want like this multi-tool to adjust any part of the cycle very easily. So I reviewed this multi-tool in the previous video. So you can check out that video if you want. I will give in the description. If you have like this cycle, you may need a hammer for this cycle. So, the common mistake that people make is they keep their brakes like this, straight manner. Okay, like this. When they press their brakes, they will get like this. They will not get straight hands. Because of that, they will get hand pains. When they keep their brakes like this, their hands will be straight. See, straight. So that they will not get any knee pains at all. So, if your brakes are tight, I keep loose like this, so can I change every time I want. You can take this 5mm Allen key and you can tight this like this. So now it will not come. So you can tie your brake like this. The second mistake the people commonly do is their seat height. So now I will show you the perfect seat height. So many members, what they do, they keep their seat height totally down because they think that when they sit in the seat, their leg should touch to the ground. But when they keep in the pedal, their knee is bent. So when their knee is bent like this, they can get knee pains. So we don't want their knee pains. So other way, so we should rise our seat height. So we will keep like this our seat height. So now I will sit my cycle. So now you can see my leg is still bent very much. When I touch the ground, my ground is barely touching. So this is not my proper seat height. So I will keep here more seat height. Like this. So now, when you are sitting on a cycle, your straight, leg are straight, and my leg is not touching the ground at all. So this is the perfect seat height of mine. And some people, what they do, they keep their seat height according to their handle height. I am telling you, this method don't work every time. If you see, I will keep my seat height up to the handle height, and you can see what happens. I cut my seat height up to the handle height. I will go this, and now you can see what happens to my cycle. When I sit like this, I cannot touch my pedal only. Barely I can touch like this. So this method don't work every time. So you should not keep like this. Even my leg is touching to the pedal, but when I do this pedal, I have to do like this rubbing, so it will really pain at your back. Okay, you should not do like this. So my perfect seat height is this. So like that you can measure your seat height. So the third mistake the people commonly do is catch their brakes like this with 4 fingers. If they catch their brakes like this with 4 fingers, they can lose their balance when speed breaker comes. Because their handle will be like this, they can shake. You can see when I go like this, handle is shaking. You can see my handle is shaking. So you should break real finger or dual finger. When I keep my dual finger, when I go, like this, it don't shakes. It will not shake. So dual finger is better. Then third finger is also good for your comfortability. If you have small hands, you can do dual finger, or you have big hands, you can do dual finger. That is your wish. Oh, sorry. This is called dual finger. This is called dual finger. Okay. The fourth mistake the people commonly do, they will grab their handle like this. That is very wrong, man. They can lose their balance like this. There you go. They can lose their balance. And another thing, when they keep like this, they cannot touch their brakes, and they will not have some grip. You can see when I catch like this, my hand is going like this and like this. So that is not the correct manner. Your thumb will be here. So your thumb should be come here, and you should do like this, and thumb finger should come to the gear position. So like this, you can change their gears like this. So it is more comfortable, and your balance will be maintained, and you can catch their brakes very easily. So these are the 4 mistakes made by the people. So you can avoid these mistakes, then your knee pains, hand pains, they will go very easily. Another thing, I will tell that in another video. In my future videos, I will tell you how to make your brake more comfortable for you. If you see my right brake, it is very hard to press. Very hard. It cannot be pressed very hard. So I press my front brake very smooth. I can press very easily. You see? See? So there is a lot of difference between my 2 brakes. So I will show you in my future videos how to set your disc brakes and also normal brakes. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, share, subscribe and like my video. If you want to see my videos first, press the bell icon so that my videos will get to you first. So thank you for watching my video. I wish this video is useful to you. Thank you.